So I just stopped for a minute to eat my lunch before I go to my next gig. This video is for empaths like me. Empaths, stop trying to save everybody. You can meet people in a bad situation and think, oh damn, that's terrible. You know, your first instinct, you want to save them, right? Empaths, we should walk around with a cape because we think we can save every damn body. You want to either give people advice or help them out of their situation, help them be a little stronger, a little better, shine a little brighter. Can't do it. Can't save everybody. A lot of times people are struggling with the karma that they already created. They're in situations that they know they shouldn't be in, and they are pushing that energy out to other people. You don't know who's jealous of you. You don't know who's secretly wishing that you fall. So that karma you're trying to save people from, you can step in it. It could get onto you because you weren't supposed to come between that person and what they were going through. They earned what they were going through. I know it's our natural state to try and help others. And I'm not saying the world doesn't need more of it. But however you can filter out who's going through something because they need help and who's going through something because that's really how they live their life. They live a shiesty life. So the universe has to return it to them. That's all I'm saying. You need to let them eat that shit up the way I'm eating my lunch over here. You know? Bon appetit. Lessons to be learned.
So this is what Aunt Judith, do y'all wake up and just be like, some of y'all really do wake up and say, I wonder how I can make somebody miserable today. Let me tell you something. That's why stuff don't go good for you. That's why you ain't blessed, because you're too messy. Clean up. Clean up. Clean up, clean up, clean up. Leave people alone. If them people your ex, let them stay an ex. If you see them doing good, don't take your behind over there trying to ruin their day. If y'all said that y'all not going to be together, y'all not going to be together. And then if they doing good, making themselves happy, taking themselves somewhere where they finding the place they done got over you, and here you go, going to bring yourself over there to make them miserable. The devil is a liar. Who are you? And you wondering why nothing ain't going good for you. Because you're too messy. Clean up. Clean up. And get yourself together. You don't live a good, blessed life by making others miserable. That's not how you live, baby. Leave these people alone. It's okay. Go be happy. Find a hobby. Stop making people's lives miserable.
Okay, so this is really going to sound like spiritual advice, but just hang in there. I promise it is career advice. I hope that you're using affirmations or prayers or meditating on your career. Because as I've mentioned, it is 100% mindset. And if you're not, start now. But I'm about to share with you some wisdom. What you think you can have in your career is what you will have. And so while I was thinking about this TikTok, I was also considering the word amen and what it means. The loose translation of amen is so be it, or it is so, or truth. And so after you say a prayer, what you're really saying is that this is truth. Okay, so here comes the career stuff. At this moment in time, whether or not you're in your dream job or not, or you're at a toxic career or not, the future is possible for you. A future where you're not stressed, or you're in your dream job, you're happy at work, you're making the type of money that you deserve to be making. It's possible. It's also just as possible for you to stay in a career that really just keeps you back and holds you down. And so what I'm saying is realize today that your words and what you say is going to happen, and your mindset is 100% what's going to get you there or not. And what I'm saying today is for everything that you have in your career, for all that you want and all that you will have, amen, girl. It is so. And I'm wishing you so much success in your job search. You got this.